Hey guys, welcome back to Getting It Done North of 7. What are we doing today? Today we are making Hermit Cookies for Christmas. I'm telling you, these cookies are the best. They're my favorite cookies that Beth makes. And she mostly makes them around Christmas. I'm not sure if she does it any other time of the year. Can't remember, but she makes them at Christmas and we all look forward to them, especially me, because they're awesome. So stick around and we're going to show you how to make Hermit Cookies.
Hi, I'm going to start making my Hermit Cookies, and this is 2/3 cups of shortening, and you cream the shortening a bit.
Guys, these cookies are so good. I eat a lot of them. She has to hide them on me, put them away. When they first come out of the oven, they're just amazing.
So I add my 1 cup of brown sugar. It says gradually, but didn't work out that way. So you just blend it into the shortening. So I have 2 eggs here, and to beat them good. And I put it into the bowl and mix it in. Mix all my dry ingredients all together. So I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. I have a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and I have a teaspoon of cinnamon, a 1/2 teaspoon of cloves, and a 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg. And I mix them all together.
Somebody else wants some Hermit Cookies, does she? You want Hermit Cookies, Ellie? Is that what you're waiting for, some cookies? Or did you want something else? Did you want a hug? Or did you want to go outside? Oh, you really leaned over there. I think you want to go outside.
So then once I have all this mixed together good, I then put it in the wet ingredients. Now, you don't have to put it all in at once like I do, but you can put a little bit at a time if you wish. Could be faster. Now I'm putting in my 2 tablespoons of milk. Continue on stirring. I'm just going to put just a dab of vanilla in.
And then we're going to mix all that together. Now for the good stuff.
So now I have cups of cherries, green and red cherries, and some walnuts and raisins. You can use whatever fruit that you like most. I like the cherries and the raisins the most, so I don't put as many nuts, but you can do what you want. Up to 2 cups.
And we start mixing again. That looks like a big bowl of goodness right there.
When I see Hermit Cookies, I think of Christmas because I love them with the spices and the cherries and the raisins and the nuts.
Oh, for sure.
Reminds me of Christmas.
Yeah.
I mean, you don't have to put the nuts in. My youngest son, he's allergic to nuts, so he doesn't eat these anyway. So.
And we don't have to share with him either.
Yeah, he gobbles everything up. So we have to have something for us. So.
Yeah, we need some food for us. We'll have to survive on something. All right, Beth is now making her cookies, putting them on the pan, and they'll be ready to go in the oven soon. How many cookies do you think you'll get out of there? 3 dozen?
We finished our Hermit Cookies, and Roland, do you want one?
I might. I think I will try one. They are my favorite cookie. You can see the red cherries, the green cherries and nuts, the raisins, golden brown. You wouldn't like them. I do though. I'm going to leave the recipe to Beth's Hermit Cookies down below in the description. You can check it out there. If you try them, come back to this video. Leave us a comment. Tell us what you think of them. I searched all over YouTube this morning. I couldn't find cookies exactly like these. A lot of them look different. You don't see the cherries in them. All you see is nuts and raisins. So I hope we have the only recipe like this for these Hermit Cookies. They're really good. So go ahead, hit that like button, subscribe button, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.
Bye.